Arm, Birkenstock, Klaviyo, all below their debut prices. My next guest says there's a few names she's buying, though, for some defense here. Joining me now is Gina Sanchez, Lido Advisors Chief Market Strategist. 3 IPOs to buy, 1 to bail on. She's also a CNBC contributor. Joining us from Japan, no less. So if I knew how to say hello in Japanese, I would. But Gina, welcome. Let's start with Kenvue, which went public in May after its spinoff from Johnson & Johnson, of course. Those shares have been widely under pressure since the debut. What would you do with the stock here?
Look, this stock is a stock that is one of the few IPOs that's actually trading cheap relative to its long-term value, and that's because of the Tylenol suit. But if you look at the price drop, it's just too big relative to the liability that they could be taking on. And so we just see this as a buy right now. You're being rewarded for that risk.
All right. Well, that's pretty straightforward, even if it might, give people a nervous tummy to think about. What about Savers Value Village? That one just went public at the end of June, kind of under the radar. It was a little bit below the recent hoopla. Shares are down 36% from that opening trade, but only a couple dollars below the $18 IPO price. Piper Sandler says Gen Z and millennials are keeping thrifting alive with Thrift Talk, which SVB VV can benefit from. Do you agree?
I completely agree on that. And actually, this is a thrift that's playing into a trend, but it is also a kind of one of those areas where, in a defensive moment when you're trying to think about what you want to spend on, if you want to save money, this is a place people go. And so, it's not only a place people go, it's cheap and it's trendy. How often do you get that?
All right, so Savers Value Village as well. The next one, okay, it's a little older than some of the other ones, but it's Krispy Kreme, which went public in July of 2021, more than 2 years ago. It's also down 40% from its opening price, which was below its IPO price of $17. JP Morgan is still overweight on the stock. They say they're honing in with their hub and spoke strategy to drive sales. But I look at it and I'm like, I don't know, in the era of GLPs and everything, what would you do here?
Look, this is not the healthiest play, but it is a high margin play. And one of the reasons that they're down is because they have been spending quite a bit of money expanding the franchise. So there's a lot of investment money going into Krispy Kreme. Ultimately, this is a very high margin play. And so we think in the long run, this is interesting. You have wages still growing above inflation right now. And we don't know how long that will last, but we know that when you pump dollars into the lowest socioeconomic strata, they will buy items that are very, very easy and cheap, and a donut is easy and cheap.
All right. I thought they were spinning out Impossible cookies, too, if I'm not mistaken. That's that. But anyway, we'll say that for neither here or there. So here, those are the 3 that you would be buyers of. The one you're bailing on is Instacart, which those shares are actually higher today by about 4%. The stock went public last month, priced at 30. And opened at 42. It's down 14% since. Citi gave it a buy rating this week, saying the online grocery space is 12% of overall e-commerce, and they could benefit from all of their partnerships with top grocers. Why wouldn't you stick with this one?
So I think a lot of any positive sentiment you hear is about total addressable market, how large the market is. But this is also a market that is very crowded. You have DoorDash, you have Uber. The margins on this are extremely thin.
Now we made it that far. We're trying to go ahead. Go ahead, Gina, for your final comment.
Yeah, that groceries shopping is going to be something that you just are not going to be willing to pay for in a slowing market.
All right. Are you bullish Japan after the trip? Everyone else is.
So I'm here about that. So I will tell you in a week.
Very good. Doing some shoe leather reporting, some channel checks. Gina, thank you so much today. We appreciate your time. Gina Sanchez with Lido Advisors.